boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's 5-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I do deep research. I put it in black and white for you in book form. So you can go to Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. You can go to your local library. You can request those books by Mickey D, D-E-E. You can also go to your local library, bookstores, libraries all over. You can go online to your local library. You can go anywhere and get it, my friends. I got something to tell you today. I want to go over some earnings real quick here for you. Hope you're having a great day. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening to you. I want a special shout out to those new subscribers, Parajit and Paramjit, and Audrey, Jordan. I think we got you, Dejan, Audrey, Greg Marino. You guys, welcome, guys. We're going to take care of you. The Scoop is one big happy family, and we got it going on. Thank you, Ursula, for purchasing those shirts from the store. Ursula said, I'm going to take care of the whole class. Good job. Great. Thank you there. My friends, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. Curaleaf. I'm going to leave some videos here of Curaleaf for you here. We're familiar with them guys. We were out $2, $3, $5, $6 or what have you, whatever they were a couple years ago when we first bought in, and then we started following them. We knew they would be a giant, and a giant is what they've turned out to be, my friends. They've turned out to be a super giant here. Well, they reported record fourth quarter earnings, record yearly earnings. My friends, we're talking about for the year, we're talking about over $767.1 million. Their pro forma revenue, we're talking about $238 million for the fourth quarter. My friends, they're tearing it up. You can read all about them. They are really, it's like, yo, Dre, I got something to say. And what I have to say is Curaleaf is killing it. That's what they're doing, my friends. I was out at their Acres facility there in Vegas. Today was a real windy in the city there, and where I went over to visit those guys. Yeah, they still had it underground. They got it going on over there. The facility next door now, the plant where they were doing all the work, they've got them both there together now, right from one another, and they got it going on. It's just what they were working on then, they have now, but the story here is what they did, the acquisition they made, Curaleaf, to enter European cannabis market with acquisition of EMAC Life Sciences Limited. Okay, now they paid $286 million for, and they did an 85% Curaleaf the shares and 15% in cash. Now you guys know I like the cash. You guys have been with me for years and years. I like for them to do deals like this, cash and shares, even though sometimes we get diluted with the shares, and it's not a good thing sometimes. But you're talking about one of the largest vertical integrated independent companies there in Europe. So this is going to be a big thing for them. When they enter a market, they do it big. And that's what we liked about them early on, is they do it big. We went out, they showed us a lot of love. Just watch the videos, you'll see. They showed us a lot of love, and they were really good there, my friends. We loved what was going on there with them. Just want you to read their earnings and stuff. They're really fantastic, my friends. Also, I want to give you a briefing real quick here. We're waiting for, the Mexico cannabis trade. We're waiting for to get some word, whether it comes this week or next week or the following week. We are patient, right? That's why when we got in early with Blueberry Medical early on, 3, 4 cents, 5 cents, get in where you fit in. I said back the truck up then, Pharmacio. We we got in there, 42, 45, 48 cents. Get in where you fit in. And Chiron Life Sciences, we got in there at 38, 40 cents, 42. It's about the same place it is right now, So just get in where you fit in, my friends, because this is going to be, there's nothing special going to happen, when the legalization takes place. There's nothing overnight or anything. But see, that's the center of this trade. So when that happens, everybody's scrambling right now trying to find stocks that are down in that area or that have any dealings with Mexico. I'm gonna listen to a conference call tomorrow, and they're talking. This company's talking about they don't have anything down there, but they're lying to the people like some companies do. They're not telling the truth. Put it that way. And we'll find out exactly what's going on there with that particular company. We know our companies are down. Our companies are located in Latin America, so it's in their backyard. So we'll have the largest market there in Latin. It'll be the largest recreational market in the world right now, because they'll be is in Canada, largest free market in the world. So we'll see how that goes, my friends. But it is a great day. It's nice and warm, and things are going well here. I don't know how they're going with Prince Harry and the Duchess of Meghan Markle there. Don't touch that. Don't. I don't want to hear anything, guys. Don't touch that. And it's not like it's don't. That's off limits. What's going on in Buckingham Palace? That's off limits. But anyway, it's you guys. I hope you guys are having a great trading week. We're in the middle of the week. Things are going well. Like I said, we're gonna hear that information. We're in the driver's seat, guys. You don't need to panic, buy or sell or do anything else. Just sit back and relax and watch people scramble. Just like they did when we got into the Canadian stocks early. Guys, I've been playing this game for a long time. You can see the gray, right? And we get in early and we do our research. You have to believe, guys. You have to believe. You have to believe the research, guys. You have to believe it. When I tell you they're taking something from Africa and they're going to come to America, and no matter what they call it, we know what it is. If they can call it a different name. Or if something is coming from Mexico and we know what it is and we know it's a success there, and most likely it'll be a success here, then you have to trust somebody telling Mr. D, why haven't I heard of you and your time of research and what you're doing and stuff, these baby knockouts and stuff? I'm not looking for you. You looking for me. So what? I don't know. No smart remarks, man. I believe me. Real quick. One thing I like about YouTube is they kind of take care of a brother, because some of those comments, my goodness, you wouldn't even tell that to your enemy, And I'm glad they take them off. If they don't, I will. If there's any inkling you going in that direction, you going left on me, then you're gone. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I don't have time to play around. This is serious. Can't you see how serious I am? No, guys, I did want to tell you, though. You guys already know. Most of you already know. But you see on the boxing gloves, kangaroo there, the baby knockout? See that? Gold. See, they made me take off cannabis on there. I couldn't have cannabis. So any of the new shirts, you won't have any cannabis on there, guys. The boxing gloves will just have, gold, silver. They'll have uranium on there. Pretty soon they're going to make me take off uranium on the boxing gloves, but I don't think not. That, and it could be misunderstood as children, So with baby knockouts, with the name baby knockouts, and that's what they are, my friends. I mean, you want to go back to the .coms, man, where AOL, where we kicked it at under 25 cents, man, and rode that baby up to over $50, man. Not once, not twice, but a whole lot of times. And that's how we got down. I wish I'd had more Cisco, though. Cisco Systems now is a good dividend payer. I wish 10 cents or so, I'd end up selling that too. But that one, And it was some good times, man. My boy Ronald, we were talking about that before. We had a long conversation the other day. When he's working on Wall Street, I used to visit him, and he's on top of it. He's on top of it, believe me. Those Ivy League guys, you guys, and those Navy guys too. Those Navy guys and those Ivy League guys, you got to watch out, man, because they know it. They know their stuff. So don't mess with them. Just kidding. Come on, guys. Laugh. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Dre, I got something to say. Anyway, my friends, let's have a great rest of the trading week. Once again, thank you, Ursula. Thank you. You're being schooled, I know. Lawrence Stripling got you. Just listen to him. He knows what he's talking about. The silver is coming back. Yeah, silver's coming back. Yeah, what are the silver books? Silver and Gold. This is his silver book right here. Silver Basis for New Investors. What a good book. It's out there right now, guys. Look for it. It's out there right now. We got those junior silver baby knockouts ready to explode too. Guys, we got those junior. You know what? Boy, that Mickey D's research is, wow, he's got some great research. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. Yeah, and look at those companies, man. Several baby knockouts to select from. You can't say you didn't know this was coming. You can't say I didn't get these stocks and sit on them, and now they're going to be, especially now that there's been a dip in gold and silver, my friends. Is it a buying opportunity or not? Time will tell. But we'll see. Love you. I've been a little long. Take care of your. God bless you, my friends. Like, share, give me a thumbs up. If you're down, especially if you're down with the Mexico cannabis trade. If you're down, give me a thumbs up, man, because I want you guys to eat your blueberries and stuff, because this is going to be big. And like I said, just the center, the nucleus of this is the Mexico legalization. Now, things aren't going to happen overnight, but from there, it's going to spread out. My brothers and sisters, it's going to be so sweet. It's going to be sweet. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. This is your first trade with us. You'll love it. If you weren't with us when we were up 2,000, 3,000%, I had to bring the belt in almost and whip some people and tell them, sell some of that. You're up 4,000%. Sell some of your stocks. I think I'm going to have to do the same thing with this Mexico cannabis trade here. We'll see. Maybe some legalization in America. You never know, guys. They're going to be working on. We'll get some banking. Banking is a given, because there's really an unfair advantage right now. And those stocks that I was talking about before, guys, those American stocks that are like Curaleaf, these stocks that are making $200 million a quarter, gone from 100 to now over 200, and then they're going to be over $300 million a quarter. Those companies, my friends, they're going to be great companies. See, they can't make that kind of money probably almost anywhere else in the world. I don't think they can make that kind of money because the market in America, the insatiable appetite and the greed associated with American just kidding. They all like to make money, and they like to make profits. So Wall Street is a profit machine. Wall Street has always been a profit machine, and people that tell you not to invest in the stock market because it's gambling or whatever, something is wrong with their brain, because generations and generations, my friends, have used the stock market to build wealth. And that's all we're doing right now. We're being comfortable. That's the object of the scoop. The scoop is for you to be comfortable, you and your family, because that's why I used it to be comfortable. Yeah, I was comfortable. Me and my family were comfortable. That's what this is about. Not get rich quick and all that other stuff, even though a lot of you have, but it's just comfort. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. I got to run.